Osho compared J. Krishnamurti with an Indian sage, Astavakra. Astavakra used to be known for the direct insight he gave to Raja Janaka in Astavakra Gita. Krishnamurti is same as Astavakra. Osho said Krishnamurti is a mixture of Astavakra, Buddha and Shankaracharya. Krishnamurti is speaking from very highest point. That's why so many people can't relate with Krishnamurti, because what he is telling is complete naked truth. Osho so many times mentioned J. Krishnamurti in his discourses. Osho mentioned Krishnamurti in his books, even given tribute when J. Krishnamurti died. A reporter once asked that to whom you will say that who completely, trying to change the world, who completely telling the truth, who is even influenced you. So Osho named so many, like Osho named Krishna, Buddha, Osho named Nanak, Meera, Ramakrishna Paramhans, and also Osho named J. Krishnamurti. Osho even said about J. Krishnamurti that J. Krishnamurti astrology chart was speaking that he will definitely dissolve Star of the East and reject Theosophical Society and reject all the gurus. Osho said, yes, sometimes Krishnamurti speaks from mind. That's why his philosophy field dry philosophy. There is no heart connection in the voice of Krishnamurti. He is very obsessed to trying to change the humanity, mankind. That's why he becomes sometimes irritated and sometimes become angry that why people are not changing. Krishnamurti is trying hard, but Krishnamurti is not connecting with the heart of the people. Osho said, I am very well aware of Krishnamurti. Even I wanted to meet Krishnamurti once in a city, even in a town, at that place. We both gathered, but never met. Osho said, I want to meet, but Krishnamurti never. Osho said, Krishnamurti is also aware of my work, what I am doing. But Krishnamurti don't take name. He is bounded in this pattern. He just will speak truth. He has some lines which he can't cross. That's why he just talk about what is truth. But I can talk anything about anybody. I have no foundation. And I will keep on talking. Krishnamurti tried very hard to change peoples. But one thing he forgot, that he is at the top of the mountain, but people are still at the bottom. So he must have to come to that point of the bottom to teach people. Krishnamurti was lucky. He was prepared by so many gurus. He had so many gurus to teach. And there were so many gurus. Every education was given to J. Krishnamurti about Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity. And Theosophical Society was trying to launch Krishnamurti to make him world teacher. But Krishnamurti denied. You know why Krishnamurti denied? Also said, because Krishnamurti was in a very rigid discipline. Krishnamurti was in a strict authority. And that's why he became so frustrated with the authority, he finally rejected all the authority. And from that incident, Krishnamurti became anti-guru. Krishnamurti choiceless awareness, however, is a very powerful tool to transform a man. What Krishnamurti is telling is absolutely true. There is no doubt. You don't need method, system to change yourself. But there are some people who are not at that level of consciousness, who are not mature enough. To those peoples, you need method. You need systems. To those peoples, you need some kind of practice to teach them. Because people are so much frustrated. If you don't give them right method, they will catch wrong methods. So sometimes methods are necessary. I will give you first method, and slowly, gradually, I will try to dissolve that method and make you realize truth. But Krishnamurti can't do this, because he is enlightened being. He is liberated being. He can't think from the point of view from that person who is not enlightened or liberated. That's what Osho said about J. Krishnamurti. I've summarized, I've watched so many videos to make this video. For better spirituality, for understanding basic concepts like meditation, awareness, present moment, relationship, fear, suffering, who am I, meditation, truth, what is observation, how to witness anything, be in present moment. There are 24 videos, spirituality course I have prepared for you, including one guided meditation video. You can join this course. My WhatsApp number is 9773529489, giving this WhatsApp number in description too. From there you can drop a message on WhatsApp number, and you can join this marvelous spirituality course, which will give you lots of insight. Thank you very much.